Many of us waste the power of our thoughts simply because we are functioning in the default mode, where the mind just keeps churning the same old, thinking about the past, thinking about all the things that we have been thinking about for the last 1 year, 10 years, because it's just the way the mind works. It just keeps working and it just keeps thinking. If we do not bring our awareness to that, this is what happens, the constant churning of things that are pretty much useless, unless we use that past information as reference. Then some of the things, or many of the thoughts that we think about in the day, are actually not much use to us in creating our future. So we are here to be the powerful creators that we are. So do not waste the power of your thoughts, because your thoughts are tools for you to use to create your future. You're here to be the powerful creator that you are.